I'm Scott Douglas, and welcome to Monster Jam at the Louisiana Superdome. The Dog of Destruction is the champion of the Louisiana Superdome Circuit Racing. All challengers, prepare to feel the unleashed fury. It's Monster Mutt.
Okay, dude, let me tell you about circuit racing. It's as intense as a heart attack in a hurricane. All monster trucks start at the same time and have to race through insane track elevations and mind-numbing jumps. Complete all your laps, cross the finish line first, and get the win.
This should be a wild one. Swapping paint, looking for the lead. I'm Scott Douglas, and